Hey y'all, I'm James Wright and welcome to my shop. Today we're looking at power tools versus hand tools. Let's dive in. Show savings. You'll hear a lot of people say that power tools are faster. Power tools just get the job done quicker. They'll do just as well as work as hand tools. But in my experience, hand tools do work so much faster. Let me explain. Let's say I need to clean up this surface. With a hand tool, there, it's done. But then I grab the power tool and this takes forever. And this thing's like squirrely. It's bound to rotate. Why don't they just make that disc stand still? I mean, just power tools. This is just not making much sense. If I want to make a groove, I just grab the plane and go to town. Just in a few seconds, look at that, I got a groove. The power tool equivalent, I mean, I can't even get that thing to cut. It's just, that's painful. And then on top of that, they all have these things on them, which are just, they always get in the way and they're just painful. You don't have anything like that messing around. I mean, I know. These are for hanging them up, so you can hang them on the wall and dangle them down and have them all visible. But honestly, just get rid of them. So I know a lot of you out there absolutely love your power tools. I still don't understand why. They're just so much slower and most of them don't even work. So I've actually invented something to really help you out. This will make everything so much better, so much faster than these. You can now have your electric hand planes. These are awesome because you can just plug it in and go to town. Same great speed as the regular hand plane, but with now the hanging cords, so you can hang them up for storage. This is just like the best of both worlds. I mean, I do find this gets in the way, but I know a lot of people like it, so it's kind of a personal thing, right? And for those of you who think, well, yeah, what if I don't want a plane? Well, we do have them in just about everything else. The electric mallet, the electric carcass saw, the electric rasp. I mean, there isn't even a really good power tool equivalent to that. The electric broom. I mean, just look at that. All the ease of the hand tool with the cord. The electric card scraper. I mean, this thing is awesome. Even comes with its own thumb protector on the back. The electric screwdriver. I mean, just look at this. They're so much faster, so much easier, and you can hang it up. We're taking this one step even farther. This is an electric vacuum cleaner. I mean, just watch it suck up this dust. And for those of you who are all power tools, we now even have the electrified pile of dust. You've heard of the electric chair. Well, now we're offering the electric stool. This thing is just amazing. It makes beautiful shavings and it's just so much fun to work with all day long.
Hold James, a second here. You forgot to plug in. Let me help you with
that. So for those of you who are really well fed up with the slowness of power tools and you really want the speed of hand tools, we now have you covered. And you can buy everything you've seen here for a low payment of $99.99, $99.99, $95, $99. 3 payments on woodbywright.com. Links down below.
James? James? That's not good.